Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your financial well-being. Today, we have something special for you. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you find yourself constantly worrying about money? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we will unveil the ultimate guide to achieve financial stability. Hi, I'm your host, and I've spent years researching and studying the art of financial stability. Through my own experiences and expert advice, I've compiled a comprehensive guide that will empower you to take control of your finances and live a life of financial freedom. Chapter 1: Understanding Your Financial Mindset. Before we dive into the practical steps, it's crucial to understand your mindset towards money. We'll discuss how your beliefs and attitudes can impact your financial stability and provide strategies to develop a positive and empowering mindset. Chapter 2: Setting Financial Goals. A clear vision and well-defined goals are essential for achieving financial stability. We'll guide you through the process of setting realistic and achievable financial goals, helping you stay focused and motivated on your journey. Chapter 3: Creating a Budget. Budgeting is the foundation of financial stability. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a budget that aligns with your goals and priorities. You'll learn practical tips to track your expenses, reduce unnecessary spending, and maximize your savings potential. Chapter 4: Debt Management Strategies. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial stability. In this chapter, we'll share proven strategies to manage and eliminate debt effectively. You'll discover practical methods to prioritize your debt payments, negotiate with creditors, and ultimately regain control of your financial situation. Chapter 5: Building Multiple Income Streams. One of the key secrets to achieving financial stability is diversifying your income. We'll discuss various methods to generate additional income streams, including side hustles, passive income sources, and investment opportunities. Chapter 6: Investing for the Future. Building wealth and securing your financial future go hand in hand. In this chapter, we'll demystify the world of investing and guide you through the fundamentals. From stocks and real estate to retirement plans and long-term investments, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions. Chapter 7: Protecting Your Financial Stability. It's crucial to safeguard your financial stability from unexpected events. We'll explore strategies for insurance, emergency funds, and risk management. By taking proactive measures, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from financial setbacks. Congratulations! You've completed the ultimate guide to achieve financial stability. Remember, it's not an overnight process, but with persistence and dedication, you can transform your financial life. Make sure to implement these strategies and stay focused on your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable